Alrighty guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you all how to replace the deck belt on a 42-inch Husqvarna Craftsman Poulan riding mower that uses the part number 429636. Kind of see it right there. The first thing you want to do is note the location of your spindle pulleys. You got the trim side and the discharge side, and this is the front of the deck. You can see right here this is the front hookup, and you do have to take the deck off to change this belt. You cannot leave the deck on like you could on older models. And this here pertains to newer 2014 and present year models that have the manual engagement. You can tell by this thing right here. So first thing you need to do is get your belt, make sure it's the right part number, and then you're going to clip it in between this guide here and the same guide over here. Now these do not have to be extremely close. As you can see, I can fit my finger in between there. That's perfectly fine. And you have these bars right here that are attached to the spindles. This one here is brand new on this side. So you can see you got a peg here and then a peg back here. So then you take the belt and bend it around here, clip it in there. Now this is a V idler. This is a flat idler. So you then take that belt and go around here like this, and then you have one of these, I call them paper clips, belt keeper. You just pull it in between there. And then over here on the other side, you're going to do the same thing. You're going to pull it around, clip it in between here, bend it in between there. You might have to pull on this a little. And this one has two on it. So you kind of walk it in there, and walk it in there, and you're done. And that is how quick and easy it is to change one of these deck belts. I hope you all enjoyed the video. I hope you all learned something. I'll take a picture of this and put it at the end of this video so that you can double check and see if you replaced your mower belt the correct way. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, leave them in the description below. And if you like what you see, hit the subscribe button.